Hello, everyone. Welcome to AI Recruiter's Playbook. I'm Lisa, and I'm super excited to be hosting this episode from iSmartRecruit. Today, we're diving into a really fascinating topic, the future of hiring, how AI and human recruiters can work together. And, joining me today is my amazing co-host, Henry.
Hey, Lisa, and hey, everyone. I'm really excited about today's topic because, well, it's something that's literally transforming our industry right now.
So, Henry, we're seeing AI everywhere in recruitment these days. What's your take on how it's actually changing the game for recruiters?
The thing is, Lisa, AI is not just changing the game, it's completely revolutionizing how we approach hiring. You see, AI tools are now helping us scan through thousands of resumes in minutes, something that would have taken days. You know what I mean? And they're doing it with incredible accuracy.
That's fascinating. But I've heard some recruiters worry about AI replacing them. What would you say to that?
Look, here's the really interesting thing about that. AI isn't here to replace human recruiters at all. It's more like, well, it's our new partner in the hiring process. You see, while AI is fantastic at processing data and identifying patterns, the human touch is absolutely essential for understanding cultural fit, emotional intelligence, and making those crucial judgment calls.
So it's more about collaboration than replacement, right? Could you give us some specific examples of how this partnership works?
Absolutely. So, think about the initial screening process. AI can quickly filter candidates based on qualifications and experience, right? But then the human recruiter steps in to really understand the candidate's personality, their career aspirations, and how they'd fit into the company culture. It's this perfect blend of efficiency and emotional intelligence.
That makes so much sense. What about the future? Where do you see this relationship between AI and human recruiters going?
You know what? I truly believe we're just scratching the surface. In the coming years, we're going to see AI getting even better at predicting candidate success, supporting diversity initiatives, and even helping with candidate engagement. But here's the key thing. The human element will always be crucial in making those final decisions.
And this brings us to the end of today's episode. Thank you everyone for tuning in to AI Recruiter's Playbook. We've learned so much about how AI and human recruiters can work together to create better hiring outcomes.
Absolutely. And remember, the future of recruitment isn't about choosing between AI or humans. It's about leveraging the best of both worlds. Thanks for listening, everyone.
This has been AI Recruiter's Playbook, brought to you by iSmartRecruit. Join us next time for more insights into the evolving world of recruitment.